Hola mi amigas, my name is Leesha, and do any of you watch The Handmaid's Tale? Because how ridiculous is this season? I like wait until Tuesday at 9 o'clock and just am like this at my TV. I'm pretty sure there's only 12 episodes in a season, and that means next week will be the final episode, and what am I gonna do with my life? What am I gonna do? Also, a side note, but this is the first time I've felt like really good about my face in a long time. I'm like really obsessed with this look. I love it. Anyways, so I don't know about you guys, but I have had absolutely no desire to buy any sort of makeup product this year. This is the first for me. I just feel so overwhelmed. There's new makeup launching from all different all different brands every other day, and it's all the same products in a different package, but promoted by the same people who use it for 1 week and then we never see it again, because next week there's a new product with the same colors that a new brand is talking about, but the same people are talking about, and it's one of those things where it's like, once you stop sipping the Kool-Aid, Crystal Light Peach Mango is my Kool-Aid of choice. You start realizing that everything is kind of all the same and nothing even feels remotely exciting anymore. The last time I felt excited about a makeup product was from a brand I saw on Instagram, and it was basically shade shifting colors. They looked nuts. They looked amazing. And it was like they did a whole swatch on their hand, and then when they moved their hand, it shifted from like gold to red and then blue to purple and like all this stuff in between, and it was something that I'd never seen before. I'd seen duochromes, I'd seen color shifting makeup, but nothing where it's going from just one end to the other of the color spectrum. And it looked amazing. And I looked it up, I went on their website, looked it up, $20 an eyeshadow. No, I can blend two damn colors next to each other and call it a day. I can't. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that I've just been really trying to become minimalistic. I know that that's kind of a trend right now in YouTube beauty, especially showing decluttering videos and throwing away all of your makeup and all of these things, which I feel is kind of ironic in the sense that we're doing all of these videos about decluttering and getting rid of our stuff, but then next week we're showing the new product from the brand that's sending us on a trip to Bora Bora. I'm realizing that I'm like really nude today. This shirt is like a pinky nude, my skin is like vampire nude, and this background is like a beigey nude. I'm just gonna this is my type of camo, except for my bright ass hair. Whoosh. Lip gloss. Gross. It's exhausting, right? I mean, 2 YouTubers come out with palettes that look somewhat the same, and it's buy this, and then everyone's trying to post about this new product from this brand because they want to be featured on their Instagram, and so they're just using their products and they're tagging their stuff, and then it's a month later and the next one is out and it's amazing. Oh my god, we need this one too because this blue eyeshadow is slightly different than the other blue eyeshadow and it has a little bit more sparkle and it's a little bit more teal tone. It's not quite as blue. The things we justify for makeup. No, before any of you get on me about Leesha, not that long ago you were shilling out the latest collection from this brand and the latest collection from that brand, and you were doing this justification where this color was a little bit different from that color and you needed this because this. I know. Trust me, I feel like I woke up out of a really hazy NyQuil-induced dream. I don't know why I was doing the things I was doing. I was reviewing products with that PR mask of not really understanding how much money things cost and not really caring because I wanted to get a video up about a product because people were interested in it and so it would get me views on my channel. I just can't do that anymore, you guys. I just can't sit here and review something that I've seen 85 times in the 10 years that I've been doing this and act like it's something brand new. I can't get excited about new products, new eyeshadows, and new collections when I have 50 freaking palettes that have been swatched one time that probably have the same, if not better, colors in them. It's exhausting. A big thing I've been trying to do with my life this year is really to try and get rid of all of the shit. I've wanted to do this for years and just never actually done it. still haven't totally done it. I mean, this room I'm in right now, you would think that a bomb blew up in it, or just someone that doesn't care about their life choices in any way, shape, or form. I know it's a do as I say, not as you do type of thing, and it's a slowly implementing thing, but I'm aware. I'm not trying to call anybody out or say that reviewing products or anything of the sort is wrong, because it's not. It works. People watch videos of new products. When a celebrity endorses a product, people who like that celebrity are going to go check out that product. When a huge influencer talks about it, people are going to check out that product. I understand this completely. I just can't buy into it anymore. I can't just go for the new hotness when I have 85 old hotnesses. I don't know why 85 is my exaggeration number. No matter what it is, it's always 85. When I have 85 old hotness just lying around at home. Gotta think of those old hotnesses. In the comments, I would like for you to tell me about a product that you've bought because it was the new hotness and everybody needed it and it was so amazing, and then bought another thing, the next type. So maybe it's like 2 highlighters that you have that are relatively the same but from different brands. Because I just find it so interesting how we work as a society. I never know how to end these types of videos. What am I even talking about? Basically, moral of the story, just think about what you're watching and why you're watching it. I don't know what the moral of the story is. If you are wondering though, on my eyes is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I just kind of picked up the first palette I grabbed and was like, we gonna make this work. So that's what I did. I never touched this palette and I love the way it turned out. I would never put orange and purple together, but I can't tell you how much I'm like really liking this. Anyways, my name is Leesha. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like hearing my rantings about the internet and the like. I really feel like this video would have been better if I had a rocking chair that I could just complain from. And a porch. A porch would have been nice too.